Hello, my name is Marcus, and I'm here to give you a short introduction to Boomerang from Fuel 9. So what is Boomerang? Boomerang is a notification framework for professional developers that will save you time, money, and frustration in your development projects. The Boomerang notification framework supports the following methods of communication: email, print, fax, file, and Twitter. So how does it work? Well, Boomerang consists of two main components, a server and a database. The server component, which runs on any Microsoft Windows 2000, 2003, or 2008 server. On the database side, SQL 2000, 2005, and 2008 is supported. Boomerang will also take full advantage of SQL service reporting services, and it may be used to generate content for any other available services. On the server, you have an administration interface where settings and activities can be managed and monitored. As a developer, you will interact with Boomerang's database interface. Each one of Boomerang's available services, such as email out or file out, will have one or more tables representing each particular service. Since Boomerang has a database interface, you may use any programming language as long as it supports SQL database connections. An example of a typical notification job could look like this. Insert into out email, select email address, subject, body, etc. from my table. Or insert into out file, select FTP server address, file name. After one or more jobs have been defined and the event has been marked complete, the Boomerang server will kick in and process the jobs. In this simple example, sending an email and storing a file to an FTP server. The other available services, such as sending fax out, printing, or updating a Twitter account, works in the exact same fashion. The email and Twitter services also have the ability to receive incoming email and Twitter messages. This will be parsed and stored in the Boomerang database. So what can you do with Boomerang? Let me give you a real-life business example. This is a European mid-sized company with a warehouse operation that daily sends out between 150 and 200 packages and processing about 400 numbers of order lines to customers on 5 continents. These numbers are by no means staggering. However, were many steps in the process that did not add in value to their customers in addition to being prone to errors. This is what the local IT team did with the help of Boomerang. Rather than manually selecting order numbers, printer, and format, the pick list automatically got sent to a printer closest to the operator with the correct format and tray. At the same time as the pick list got printed, a file containing a subset of the order was created and saved on a file share where it gets picked up by the warehouse robot. As the parts get boxed and ready to be shipped out, a notification is sent to the customer. Depending on the customer's preference, it will be delivered by email or as fax. They also decide to enable message tracking on outgoing email so that any replies in the form of questions or remarks from customers are directly and dynamically forwarded to correct customer service representative with links to the shipment and questions. The local team, with the help of Boomerang, managed to do all this with only 61 lines of code. Why Boomerang? Boomerang offers a number of notification services that will help you do more with less. In other words, it will prevent you from reinventing the wheel. With Boomerang's database interface, you will be able to use any programming language. We know from experience how frustrating inconsistent or badly written software can be, so we have put a lot of effort into making Boomerang fast, reliable, and simple to use. By using Boomerang for all your notification needs, you will be able to manage all from a single point, which makes it cost and time efficient. All available services, functions, and helpers in the Boomerang framework are open and do not force any proprietary techniques or approaches. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website fuel9.com to download our free edition of the Boomerang framework.